Assalamu alaikum, my dear friends. My name is Arslan Jamal, and you are watching my channel TRICKSY Tips. I welcome all of you to my channel, and I created this channel for technological updates and different courses on IT. And I request you to please like my videos and subscribe my channel and watch this video from starting till the end to get the maximum benefit. And I want to tell you that I make these kinds of videos more frequently, and when you will subscribe to my channel, you will get updated whenever I post a new video. So coming to today's tutorial, I am going to start Microsoft Excel course, and today is our first class, and I will give you brief introduction to Microsoft Excel. So do you know about what Microsoft Excel is? Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet software created by Microsoft. What is a spreadsheet software? A spreadsheet software is a software which is used to create calculations and data management. And Microsoft is a giant in the field of IT, and it has created several applications for general public use. And Microsoft, you know that Microsoft is a big giant, and it is also the creator of Microsoft Windows. So it has created Microsoft applications for office use, and Microsoft Excel is a part of them. But using spreadsheet application is not a new concept. It was not started by Microsoft, but there are several other vendors besides Microsoft who are sharing their spreadsheet programs. But the most popular of them is Microsoft Excel. So Microsoft Excel has different versions, and the updated version is Office 365, Microsoft Office Excel 365. And 2016 and 2019 are also new, and but it does not affect your quality of working on or this and following or this tutorial series. And you will just need a Microsoft Excel application. You can install any Microsoft Office package, either from a CD or Microsoft official website, or you can use Microsoft Office Excel for web. So now I want to tell you that it is included in Microsoft Office package. It is a bundle of Office applications. It is used in data presentation. And organization, analysis, and interpretation. There are several other worksheet softwares available in the market, and Microsoft Excel is one of them. And this window you are seeing is Microsoft Excel's window. So this is our workspace where we will work, and we will play with the data. So moving through, I will tell you that what are the uses of Excel. Common uses of Excel are data entry. It can be used for data entry, and you can use it for data management. In accounting, it is used very frequently, and financial analysis is almost impossible without using Microsoft Excel. And charting and graphing is a very popular feature of Microsoft Excel. And you can also do programming in Microsoft Excel for automation of your projects, for automation of calculations, for automation of reports. You can use Microsoft Excel's programming features. For example, you can use VBA, you can use Python, and you can also use JavaScript. How you can use it, I will tell you you will learn in the next lessons. After 100 or 200 lessons, you will learn how you can use Microsoft Excel programming. So Microsoft Excel is also used for time management. You can create schedules for Microsoft Excel. With the help of Microsoft Excel, you can create time management schedules. For example, you can make your schedules for meetings, etc. And Microsoft Excel is also used for task management. You can create a to-do list with the help of Microsoft Excel, and there are several other uses which are not limited to the listed above, which you will get to know about when we will use Microsoft Excel practically. So but it is a very little introduction to Microsoft Excel, and I think I tried to cover almost everything which was necessary for you to note about the brief introduction of Microsoft Excel. So it is a spreadsheet software, so we will have a focus on spreadsheets, and you will know about what a spreadsheet is. So there are several other spreadsheet softwares: Google Sheets, Zoho Sheets, Apache Office Calc, LibreOffice Calc, Apple Numbers, which is an Apple application made for Apple, and WPS Office. Google Sheets is the second most popular after Microsoft Excel, and in the next few years, I think that Google Sheets will be the top spreadsheet application after but now these days Microsoft Excel about it is not a matter of discord that if you work in one spreadsheet software and you are familiar with the environment of one spreadsheet software, you can easily work in another sheet software. Firstly, but just you have to be familiar with the environment, and it's a several some shortcut keys are different, but most of the several data spreadsheet projects and softwares or applications are the same. So if you learn to work in Microsoft Excel, you will be easily familiar within a week that how to work in another spreadsheet software with very easy. So it was a brief intro to Microsoft Excel. Please give in the description. Please give in the comments if you like my video and you want these videos, more videos like them. And in the next video, I will tell you about some more concepts of Microsoft Excel. Then we will start working on Excel. So till the next video, take care of yourself and watch my channel and stay tuned with me. Thank you.